Greetings, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to get your comments in Canvas. So again, if you don't know why you got the grade that you got, there's normally two things. One, if there is a syllabus attached to it, then look through the syllabus and see what's not graded appropriately or what you're not expecting. Though most of the time you'll also get comments with it as well. So in this case, I'm going to click on this assignment. And you have to have submitted the assignment, right? So submit the assignment. You can see right here that there was comments. In this case, the student didn't turn anything in, so that's why they got the grade that they got. So that is how you do it. So in this top right, you actually go to the assignment. In the top right, you'll see there's comments saying what you didn't do, did do, what you can do to improve. This is a key thing for finding your things. You also find if you go over to grades and then scroll down and you see this is the only assignment that was turned in, this example student, but you can see there's little notes over here. Click on it, you can read your comments as well. So again, if you see notes over here on any of your assignments, that means there's comments. You can click on them and review your comments to see what exactly you were missing. So that is how you view your comments if you ever need to figure out why you got the grade that you got. That's all I have. Have a good one.